Hi, this is final year student of Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Technology. We have done a project called fee collection system. I'm going to explain about the functionality of this project. Generally, there are two logins in this project, admin login and student login. Admin can enter their username and password in order to log in into the system, and when they log in, they'll be displayed with the home page. And when they click on fee collections, fee modifications, all the details of modified tuition fee, we can modify everything like tuition fee, early fee, due date, and fee fixed common breakage. Modification, in this page we have a button called action. In this action we can edit any details, or else we can even delete details if we want. In this, all the details like graduate quota and all will be displayed. You can also search for a particular employee using the search button, and then when you click on add fee, the new fee we can enter all the details, and the new fee will be added onto the database. And when you click on modify yearly fee, this is same as that of monthly fee, so you can enter all the details and stuff. And modify due date, this is used for modifying due date. This is also similar to that fields, and you can enter the corresponding due date, and once you enter it, it will get automatically updated. Okay. And then fixed common breakage. This is used for fixing common breakage for all the students. We have to select whether it is UG course or PG course and all the department, and batch, year, and fee title. And once the common breakage amount is entered, we can save it, or we can reset the existing amount. And now when we click on fee collection, tuition fee collection, where when you enter the roll number in search box, the corresponding details of the employees will be displayed. Corresponding details of student will be displayed, and you can select whether to pay in cash or DD. Okay, once you click on fine button, the fine will be displayed, and you can modify it if you want, and you can save it. The corresponding fine will be updated. When you click on cash, the total fee will be displayed, and if you enter the amount to be paid, you will be displayed with the remaining amount if some excess amount is there. Now when you click on view receipt button, the corresponding receipt for that particular student will be displayed, and you can use it as a preview, or for printing options you can even use it. Now when you go to miscellaneous fee, you can search using the corresponding student, and you can click on the application fee if you want. You can enter all the details like miscellaneous fee, application fee, and other fee like fine amount and so on. And once you enter everything, you can save the details and keep it automatically saved. Now we can also, in this also we have view receipt button, in which we can view the receipt of this particular student. This is the issue receipt. This is for issuing the receipt of all the student. This is also similar. You can search the particular student using the search box, and once you search, you'll be displayed with that details along with the receipt for that particular student. You can even print it using the print button. This is same for miscellaneous fee. You can search using the roll number, and the corresponding receipt for that student will get displayed. This is for generating report. Daily report generation. In daily report generation, we have to select the particular date on which we have to generate the report, and we have to select the type of bill, like miscellaneous or tuition bill. And once we click, the corresponding details will be displayed, and you can even print it as you want. And this is for monthly report generation. We have to select the range from and due date, and we have to select the type of bill, and to be paid with cash or DD, we have to select that stuff. And when we click generate report, the corresponding report will be generated for monthly basis. This is for unpaid students. First we have to select the graduate and degree batch and so on. And once you enter all the details, the student who have not paid the fees, those details will be displayed in this report. This is for viewing the student details, tuition fee pay list. Once you click, automatically the paid list of all the students will get displayed. This is for getting the paid list of miscellaneous fee. This is the total fee collection register, in which all the details from first year to final year for the corresponding student will get displayed. This is for searching for a particular student. Once you give a roll number, the details of the student, including their fees from first year to final year, will get displayed. And when you click on logout, you can log out. And this is for student login. The student enters his username and password, and once he logs in, he will be displayed with the home page, which contains student fee details. Here all the details of students will get displayed automatically. Okay, this is for viewing all the details. And once they log out, when student logs in into the system, he'll be displayed with this student details page. In this page, the student can only view the details. He cannot modify anything. They can check their status as paid or unpaid. If they are paid, their status will be displayed as paid. If they are unpaid, their status will be as unpaid. And thank you so much.